Got this funky little iPhone thingy. It's called the Handy. There you go, Handy. I guess you can just take it along with you. It's given to you by the hotel, and it just tells you where to go, where to eat, where you're at, subways, city guides, all that fun stuff. We don't really need it because we have data. But we got our 164 car collection all lined up here. And by the way, I have bought a new Mr. Hedgehog, a Japanese Mr. Hedgehog. He's got a mustache right there. As requested, guys, we're gonna do a quick drive-through of some of the garages in Tokyo. We got a wingless GT3 RS. Uh-oh, guys, Officer Pina, this man has no front plate. Arrest this man. We got a new player in town, guys. Carrera GT right next to the beautiful Levante. Continuing on our little adventure here, we have found a Murcielago SV. Is that balloon white? Yeah, now that's a bona fide spot. Flanked by two Mercedes with an interesting set of wheels, but bam, there you go. Time to roll, guys.
Yeah.
That is a nice LT. And someone's brought a Corvette. Bam. It's a pretty nice color on the Corvette, actually. We do have the B6s, the Alpinas, but not the B5. Check that color out, guys. That is Athena Beauty, and this Aventador is pretty nice too. Oh, nice wheels on the Panamera. Okay, good color on the Porsche. Nice color on the Mercedes. Matte pink Pirelli edition Aventador. It is around 95 degrees out right now, with 85% humidity outside. We're fucking doing this for you guys, all right? That's right. The dedication. Excuse me, guys. That is an N-Attack GTR. For all you JDM fans out there. And oh, a Camaro. Ugh. Wow, that is pretty sick. Integrale.
Nice. With the white wheels.
It does have the white wheels. Where you at, Genio? Hmm?
Thank you, sir.
You should roll down the window, Max. This window has tint. It's better for the photo. Much better. Thank you, Max.
We done?
Yeah, we're done. Thank you very much, mate.
Yeah, I didn't realize the guy was inside the car.
Oh shit. All right, guys, the time has come. We are currently cleaning the Mazda CX-8. It's not dirty, it's just that it's a press car, and when you return press cars, you have to fill up the gas tank, you gotta vacuum, you gotta clean, you gotta do all these things before you return the car, because apparently it's not a good thing. It's bad juju if you return the car dirty and fucked up. So very, very different from Americans. I once had a press car from a certain company about a year or two ago, and let's just say I found some rather disgusting things in the side pockets on the passenger side. What did I find? It was fucking hair extensions and dog hair. I swear to God. Strolling around here at the Mega Web Center for Toyota, got this weird e-palette concept, and it makes you wonder, why don't they focus more energy on finishing the damn Supra than on these weird concept cars? Just a little food for thought, guys. This is a Toyota Center, but there's a Skyline out there. Sketchy Toyota. We're at the Mega Web Museum here, and Max Showstack has found that someone's missing a model car. That's right, guys. We're back at our favorite pet store here in Odaiba. Look at these cats. This one's just legit. Doesn't even give a damn. He's just, or he or she's just chilling. Look at that. No way. Oh yeah, here are the prices for these cats. 380,000 yen. This one's 430. This one's the best one right here. Look at that. Photogenic as fuck. No fucks given, dude. There you go, guys. Check this out. Boba tea and grapes. Fuck. Oh no. It's like a vending machine. You just put in your coins, make your selection, and bam. They make it for you. What is this? The milk?
Strawberry milk tea.
Okay, I got a little crepe action going on here. Yeah, that's right, guys. Oh, I'm also thinking about buying this Veneno Roadster. No, Veneno Coupe. Right next door, guys. I'm thinking about it over a crepe. Back by popular demand at Bingo Motorsports here. It seems that they have downsized their stock, but there is a Pagani Tokyo showroom right around the corner. So the Revolution and the Kiryu are missing, and we got the Dinastia that we saw about a year and a half ago in China, randomly at a toy store, not a toy store, but a toy fair. Purple carbon, got the Italian stripe, we got the teal accents on the front, gold wheels, and the teal calipers. The interior is actually just as crazy. It's also teal. We got the Mira SVR Yota, recently restored, and of course the Pagani Huayra Dinastia with the shark fin right here. Check it out, very Project 1-esque. Now, according to our sources, this is one of three. This is supposed to be the gold one. There's also a red and a blue one, I believe. This one is called the Yazi, Y-A-Z-I edition. And man, this is one hell of a spec. I actually do have a 1/18 scale model coming in with this particular Yazi Dinastia. But man, sorry guys, I don't have a polarizer on. I messed up. Closer look of the interior right here, guys. Bam. The distinctive 4 exhausts in the rear here. I'm not really sure. Is that like what, a lion or something? Or like a tiger? I don't know. Excuse me, a dragon. Got the 288 Evo and the F40 LM. And the rest are at the Pagani showroom right around the corner. So let's roll. There's the Bingo House Pagani dealership. You can sort of see the 760 Kiryu and the Revolution. I'm too lazy to walk over, but yeah, we didn't have too much time at Bingo Motorsports. There was a client inside, so they didn't really want us hanging around, which is understandable. If you guys want to check out my previous videos at Bingo Motorsports, I'll link them up right here, guys. All right, guys, we're currently here at a ramen spot called Ichiran. Now, the ordering system is pretty unique. Check this out. You order it, fill out the ticket, you pay up front, give them the ticket here, and then the food comes in. We gotta focus on the taste. The little curtain's gonna come right down here. Got some sort of DMV looking dividers here, separating you and the other clients. Hey. Alright, now we focus on the taste. Yes, guys, I'm currently filming with my phone. I thought it was a little inappropriate to be running around with a massive camcorder. It might bring a lot of dishonor to my family in Japan, so yeah. Check out the sign in the bathroom at Ichiran. It is a great honor that our bathrooms are used by different women. We understand we are very tired from work, studies, or daily chores. Keeping this bathroom is our job. Please use this bathroom without any worries. Fucking hell, America. Jesus Christ. We're at the cat cafe. We gotta take our shoes off and bam, just like that, guys. If you press one button, it'll dispense your drink with ice in a cup. How do you know when it's done?
Hold it up.
Oh, there you go, guys. Oh. All right, there's like a soda machine outside that dispenses your beverage of choice. You put on a lid, you put on your little flippy floppies right here, and boom. Cat mania. Just chilling. That man's got like 10 cats next to him because he's probably feeding them. Ken, that cat is not having any of it right now. It's just like, nope. What is that cat doing? Let's claim that beanbag over there. Oh. Oh, it's finally settled down. Dude, you could pay 500 yen for a cat lollipop, and they will come in droves. Yep. It's rigged, guys. Totally rigged. Alright, guys, we're currently here at, I forgot the name of this place. Anyway, so there's these little vending machines. You put in like 100, 200, or 500 yen tokens. Or not tokens, coins. Sorry, I feel... And we got these very suspicious looking rated R or 18 and over ones that cost 500 yen. Now, we're trying to choose which one to do. We might not be able to show this on camera, guys. So I'm gonna...
let's do this one right
Alright, we're gonna do this one right here.
Oh wait.
It only takes 500 coins. Oh no. Oh.
R.I.P.
Wait, can you get it?
No.
Oh.
Do you have a 500 coin one?
I actually do have a 500 coin. Time out, guys. I'm gonna time out. Alright, we kind of fucked that up, guys. The 100
yen.
Yeah, the 100 yen is stuck there, and we didn't read this. Well, I read the sign. Chris Morrison didn't. Anyways, commenced. Here we go. 500 yen. This is around $4.50 or something. What the? Wait, twist it.
I did. We just get scammed. What the fuck?
No.
Are you serious?
Oh, fuck. God.
What the
damn it. Okay, that obviously did not go to plan, guys. Shit. Okay. It's just like, nope. Not today, guys. Oh my god, that's funny.